frustration, just sheer frustration, and having to ask my husband Steve and my colleagues at work to do things for me, it really impacts on my sense of self-esteem and independence, and I don't like to ask for help, and I shouldn't have to with everyday products.
I think the impact of hard to use packaging is that you end up blaming yourself for so much, and you end up thinking that it's your fault and that you're not good enough, and has a pretty negative impact on like your self-esteem and the way you feel about yourself and interacting in the world. And it can feel quite you can just feel quite negative about yourself.
For somebody with my condition, to try, if my wife wasn't there to help me open the things, it would be very tiring, and in some cases I just wouldn't be able to open them.
I think it's just having that diversity and understanding that everyone's not that one size fits all area. And I think you also need to approach it into a multitude of different people too. So it can be the elderly and also the young as well. So it doesn't have to be for someone purely with arthritis or a disability, but it is just that ease and way to make someone else's life much more easier. And just convenience as well, because it does become a frustration sticky point, which does probably inhibit me and thinking about, do I then repurchase your product, because it is very frustrating to open. It's that added extra journey you've got to go through to try and think about how to go around it, that you just need that constant problem solving. And sometimes you might have a really good day and it could just be quite easy, but if you're not having a great day, it can just really spoil your day, to be honest. So yeah, it's probably how you feel and how it makes you feel too.
I had to work out techniques to open things. Well, sometimes I have to find someone to open it for me because I can't do it myself.